How do you develop self-worth? That's a big topic nowadays. Indeed, indeed. You realize you never lost it. You realize you never really lost it. You've just been comparing yourself with everyone else. Worth is always connected to who do you have worth to. If you want to be valuable, let's say, first and foremost, if you want to be valuable to somebody, let's say you are a graphic designer like me, one of the things, so half of my career is a graphic design, and I go to a rural area. I go and live in a rural area where there's no internet, nobody's starting any type of business of any kind, and I come to a person that needs firewood, and I tell him, you need some logos. And they look at me and they're like, what? Like, why the fuck would I need a logo? Like, get away from here. Like, I don't need you and your high-tech digital stuff. And then, does that make me unworthy? Does that make me unvaluable? Or am I just the right package at the wrong address? So, people that do graphic design are not better than people that build houses. Neither are people that build houses or chop wood better than people that do graphic design. Everything is needed. Everything is valuable and worthy for somebody else. So if I am offering my graphic design services to people that need food, just food and shelter, they're gonna send me away like, what are you even talking about? And then on the opposite side, if I come with my axe to a digital printing company and like, guys, do you need some firewood? And they're like, no, we need a user interface designer. Go away, we don't need you. And you go like, oh my god, nobody needs me. I have low self-worth because, no, you're just in the wrong place. You're just offering your treasure to people that just don't need it. It doesn't mean that those people are evil. It doesn't mean those people are bad. It just means that your gifts are not recognized where you are right now. People are not seeing you for what you have to offer to them. And it's making you have a low self-worth. What you are bringing to the table is maybe in the wrong place. Maybe the wrong people are looking at you. Maybe the wrong people are employing you. Maybe in your relationship, nobody's valuing what you have. And then on the other hand, like, a low self-worth can be, you can try to overshare things, you can try to over-explain things, you can try to prove yourself all the time. But to the right people and in the right environment and in the right situations, you won't need to say more than you want to say. You won't need to burn yourself out so somebody can finally see you. Low self-worth also develops in childhood if we have parents that are too caught up in their own emotional trip, that are not aware, that are busy with work, with their careers. Maybe they were arguing all the time. Maybe you had a younger brother, older brother, sister. You didn't get enough attention when you were a child. And you always felt you have to overcompensate who you are. Maybe there was a lot of expectation on you when you were a child. Oh, this baby is gonna be a doctor. This baby just came out of me, and this baby is gonna be an astronaut. And then society, you know, fucking society, like proving and hierarchy and how do you become a true man? What is a true man? What is a real woman? Oh, come on, you know. Or 10,000 subscribers on Instagram, and then we compare ourselves with all these people and their perfect lives on the internet, and they never cry, they never break down, you know. It's kind of tough to believe. And then Hollywood and the movies, and everyone's have perfect makeup, and nobody seems to age. And will I ever meet the right partner? And then, is this woman out of my league? Is this man out of my league? How will I ever? Oh my god. Society puts so much pressure on us with all this bullshit. And then I can give you practical tips how you can develop self-worth is complete many little things in your day. Make your bed, do 10 sit-ups, 10 push-ups. Do little things that you know that you can do and build momentum from them. And then you can feel empowered, feel how you have self-confidence. Finish a course of some kind. Take out the trash, help somebody in need. Be of service, be useful. Those are some things that can be maybe of use. No problem, Sandy. iCreateLines.com is my website. If anyone would like one-on-one sessions with me, check that out. Everything is over there. If anyone would like to donate, my birthday was yesterday, but I don't want to take advantage of that, just saying. Lena says just some basis for a Q&A. Yeah, so I practice Qigong, I practice Shaolin martial arts, I practice stability work, I practice, and what do I believe in? I believe in love, I believe in life, that life always finds a way, I believe in health, self-sustainability, I believe in strength, I believe in the elements, that we need to be all elements. I believe in the Tao. I believe in Taoism. Following the flow of nature. I believe in nature very much. I believe in the psychedelics. I believe in animal spirits, plant medicine, ancient teachings. I believe in energy, magnetic energy between people. I believe in the quantum realm, law of attraction. I believe in human design system. I believe in astrology. I believe in human potential. I believe in the human spirit. I believe our ancestors cultivated energy and passed it on to us. And we need to cultivate it, pass on as well. I believe in all my gifts that I've acquired. I believe in all my gifts that I've cultivated. I believe in each and every one of you and all of your beautiful gifts and all of your voices. Ainsley says, hope it was a special one and the year ahead a good one for you in this crazy world. Keep believing, keep inspiring, keep making positive change by sharing your wise words. Thank you so much. Oh, it's not a crazy world. A little bit of it is crazy. Birds are sane. Elephants are sane. The deers are sane. The fish don't give a fuck. It's only humans, but like the world is fine. It's society that's crazy. The world is actually pretty fine. world's always gonna be good. Nature's gonna take care of itself. It's us that are crazy. Very complex cucumbers. Very, very complex cucumbers. Overly complex cucumbers. 70% water, humans. Lima says, yes, we are valuable to the world. Metacognition. Awareness of our own personal thinking patterns is helping me. Yeah. Higher self, observing yourself. Subscribe, like, leave a comment, share your story below. Check out my audio courses, Human Design, Basics, Intermediate, Projector Masterclass, other human design that will come out. Check out the Elemental Balancing audio course. They're all available on the Insight Timer app, where you are also invited to join the course classroom. In there, you can ask questions and get direct voice messages from me, and also engage with other students, share your feedback and insights, and further your learning. For one-on-one human design coaching and psychotherapy, send an inquiry through the website. Join us on the Insight Timer live sessions where we do fascia and qigong stress release classes. Check out my art and merch web shop full of my original designs ready to be printed on shirts, notebooks, and many other products. Download my free ebooks and join my newsletter to stay connected and get updates and content in your email. Everything mentioned is available at icreatelines.com. Peace, health, and abundance.